moving out of my apartment. Sad. Okay, I'm gonna take you guys along with me while I move out. Might just be like, I'm also trying to create train memes right now. Might just be good memes. Might just be good memories to document this. I'm just gonna go through this drawer I have under my kitchen table, if I can get it out. This drawer holds like a bunch of tote bags, and I thought it would be smart to like go through them and pick which I should keep. So this one is just a plain one, so we're gonna get rid of it. I have so many tote bags. I mean, this heart one that my friend Lily made for me, she made this by hand. Obviously keeping. This one is Branch Basic. We are getting rid of that. Next is the infamous aloe bag. I personally don't like the aloe bag. I don't know why everybody does, but we're getting rid of it. This is a bag I made. That was dusty for my sorority. Getting rid of that. Envelopes. I'm probably just gonna take these to work. Formula Fig. I think my friend gave me this. This is kind of cute. It needs to go in the wash though. And then I have a journal. Oh my god, this is my journal from 2022. May goals. 6K on TikTok. Got it. Wake up at 6 a.m. on the weekends. Wow, my handwriting is so nice. Work out 20 days this month. Eat out less. Read 2 books. Write Max a letter. My weekly goals. Gym 5 times. Walk daily with Miso. Watch sunset. Hang out with 1 person. Book Miso training. Make $300. This is so cute. Oh my god. I did not finish this journal, so I'm going to keep at it. I'm going to make a giant donate bag for Goodwill for anything I get rid of. So this stuff is going in here. Low key, I'm just going to put this right back in the bag. Next is Miso's. This is Miso's. Calming gummies, going to need that. Flea stuff, I need that. I pretty much need almost all of his stuff. Next, this basket. Look how much seed supplements I have. Supplements, but let's see when they expire. Oh, expired. Okay, trash. Supplements expired. This is an edible that is most definitely expired. Restocking my seed. I've been taking this for like for over a year, I think. This is my canopy. Definitely keeping, oh, that is so dusty. Okay, that is going in here. Ooh. A random pad. My car vent, I never changed. Okay, decided that that box is gonna be for the bathroom because I found the canopy in there. I love my bathroom so much. Does sunscreen expire? It expired in January. Cool. What about this sunscreen? Oh, fudge! I did not know sunscreen expires. Oh my god, I'm so sad. Who knew sunscreen expired? This one's good. Oh no. Look how cute my little bathroom drawer is. Look at all that. Okay, we're still going through my bathroom drawer. These are face masks and chapsticks. I'm kind of just like gonna make a pile of everything I'm taking. More sunscreen. Expired. Okay, next is my hair care drawer. These are so dirty. I don't know how those girls just like always keep their brush clean, but that's not me. Can someone please comment below how to get these little linty things off of your brush, and how do they get there? Why are they there? Like, there's no lint in my hair. Now for the hairsprays and oils. Intense spray, I don't even know what that's for. This is concentrate leave-in formula, contains the super strong ingredients, vitamin B5, peppermint, tea tree oil, lightweight, non-greasy. Spritz onto your scalp and gently massage your fingers. Apply once a day to wet or dry hair. So it's supposed to help your hair, I'm assuming. Maybe we'll keep, unless it expires. Okay, nope. Okay, I love the Bondi Boost Heat Protectant, castor oil. This is just water. This is like my eyebrow kit. Okay, and then I have this texturizing spray, which I've never used. Moving on. I should probably be putting this in something. doing this very efficiently. We got a basket. And now I'm gonna just start stashing this. We are on to makeup. Let's see what is expired. Look how amazing this is. But I don't ever use it. Oh my god, it's like almost cracked. Okay, it doesn't say it expires, so we're keeping it. Keeping Glossier, keeping that. Keeping the brushes. I don't think chapstick expires. We're gonna keep that. This is so old. Wait, oh, it's practically empty. We're throwing that away. Keeping this. All my normal makeup is fine. Makeup secured. And then I have a couple other ones in here. Look how much progress I made. Look at me so. My Thrive package just came in. So let's see what I got. I have been wanting to order this for so long. This will be useful for packing. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, I should probably put a bra on, but I don't really care. I shall put a bra on. I don't want to though. Putting on a sweater so I don't have to put a bra on. Okay, really excited. We got protein cereal. This cereal has 5 grams of protein, which is better than 0. Ooh, okay. I've been wanting to try this bare bone broth because I never finish the bone broth, or I just give it to my dog, and bone broth is so expensive, so I wanted to try the little packets. I got dog cheese sticks. Oh my god. There's like 5 in here. I got the mini chomps. Also got the Big Daddy chomps. These ones are my favorite. The turkey ones are my favorite because they, I think, have the most protein. They have 12 grams of protein and only 80 calories. Then also my favorite micellar water from Mustela. It's acne safe and non-toxic. That's it for that side. I kind of want one of these now. These Siete cinnamon crisp things. I probably shouldn't open this. Oh my god. Look how much is actually in there. This is how much is actually in there. That is murderous. What is that? Crime? That's crimal. It's a crime. Mmm. So good. I can eat those forever. Yum, yum, yum. So good. Olive oil seaweed packs. I did not order these. Oh, I think they gave me some free stuff. We got cauliflower crackers, popcorn nacho crackers. Wow, they gave me a lot. More cauliflower crackers. Wait, that's all I ordered? Why was that so expensive? That's it, I guess. Good morning. So today is day 2. I have work. I've had a TikTok, I don't want to say blow up because right now currently only has 70,000 views. I'm going to say blew up because I don't think I can check my DMs because there's so many. Basically, I posted my apartment complex because I have to technically pay for halfway through July because I didn't give them 30 days notice because I didn't know I was moving. With that being said, I want this apartment complex. I want my apartment to get rent out literally ASAP. I decided to make a little TikTok. I just made a TikTok of like showing my 600 square foot apartment. It blew up a little more than actually I'm glad it blew up. Not that anyone's following me because I'm not providing them any value besides finding them an apartment. But now I have to call my landlord and let him know because everybody wants to know where the apartment is, which is great. Hopefully someone can move in and I can get my money back. That's what we're dealing with right now. I have like probably sent my landlord's info to probably 20 people already, but there is a good over 50 left. And that's what I want to tell him. But hopefully that means someone will actually take it. It's the perfect apartment. Guys, you're not gonna believe this. So I had a TikTok go viral. Did I already mention that? It is way too bright. My landlord said his phone and his email is blowing up and that we're literally gonna run out the apartment in probably one day. So he's paying me to go to his other units. I already went to one. Maybe I'll post it in this so you guys want to live there, you can. So he's paying me to go to 2 of his units. Not like a ton of money because we're just gonna see how it works. And he's gonna do me a solid, I'm gonna do him a solid. I hope it kind of does work because this would be like a that'd be my 5th side hustle. But packing is going pretty good. Let me show ya. Here's me. I look bad. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes done, but my apartment's a wreck now. And now I'm showing the apartment on Saturday to all the future people who might take my home. I wonder if I'm gonna cry on Saturday. We'll see. But I need to keep packing. I need to stop getting distracted by commenting back to people on TikTok. I'm not filming my apartment. I'm touring my apartment today. It looks so good. I'm really nervous. Hey, today is last day of moving. I'm moving to my new apartment tomorrow. I'm doing like all the last minute things today, which is kind of a lot. I can move in starting at 9 a.m. So I'm taking a workout class with my coworker at 7, and then I'll have an hour to pack up the last minute things I need for like tomorrow. And then I'm gonna start moving. I'm really excited. Oh, also, I'm pretty sure we got my apartment rented out for this weekend, which is great because that means I'm saving $100 a day on how much my rent was. Now my landlord wants me to start filming videos for his other complexes, and I've done a second one already, and it did not obviously as good as the first one because that was just a fluke, but I still got a lot of DMs for people to apply, which is what he wants. What, Misto? What? Good morning! Today is moving day. I should have took you guys along with me to Pilates, but I did get Daydream, so let me show ya. I got Daydream. Felt like a good occasion to get Daydream. Oh, okay, right on the lips. I'm gonna give you the rundown of today's schedule. Hi, baby. Went to Pilates this morning with Monica at Seoul, which I'll live so close to. Okay, the dealio. It is like 8:15. I'm going to pack up a little bit of the house, and then I'm going to drop off the cashier's check at my apartment so I can get in. I'm going to let Miso smell around, bring a couple boxes in, and then I'm going to drop him off at work because Max's little brother is going to be watching him for the next couple of days, or his family, and Max's little brother is helping out work today. It's like not good for a dog to see everything move in and out of a new apartment. Even though Miso's moved so much, I want to make it really seamless for him. Once I drop him off at work, then we're gonna move all my stuff in. My dad's coming in I think at like 9 or 10. My mom's coming at noon, and then we're picking up the fridge around 4, and then my roommate is gonna come at noon too. I want to get all my stuff in, and I'm really excited. I was only gonna take a half day at work, but I want to get everything out. Miso's so cute. Continue watching the vlog. What's up, baby? What's up? Oh, and he runs away. I'm vlogging the whole moving out. We got goop. We all got sandwiches and the Chinese chicken salad. And this is the apartment. How's it going?
What's that?
This is like for Europe.
For Europe?
Yeah.
I can't get it. What? For the broom.
Oh, it's so far away.
Yeah. Maybe the broom. Yeah, maybe the broom because it has a big...
Okay, thank
Right? If you go past the box and then pull it in.
Yep. Well, the broom's
You guys do too much. Okay, next time you do that, Shelby, your entire rope to the box.
Yep.
Well, hopefully.
Do you know where you're turning, Dad?
Yeah, isn't it?
Where that truck
Parking
is
on the
going. Yeah, because there's no parking right here.
Yeah, right.
It is so hot. And now we're gonna go pick up the fridge, which is like 10 minutes away. It is so dang hot. Only walking to the liquor store to get everyone water. Oh, liquor store is closed. Just kidding, it is closed. Can you help?
Not my normal box jump. I didn't jump 32 inches. Not good.
What's your, yeah. I'm gonna record my whole vlog. We got pit fire. Monica, do you want to show us all the flavors?
Yeah.
Honey bear, which is my favorite. Sausage.
Well, that looks
Sausage
really
party.
good too.
Oh my god, this looks so good.